Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with the Terraform tutorial, okay, and we have seen resources block in last video, okay, how we can define the resource block using Terraform script, okay, to create the infrastructure. In this video we are going to see how we can define variable block using Terraform script, okay. So before going ahead, let's discuss about variable block. Why we need variable block in Terraform? So we suppose when we are creating whole infra for in any cloud environment, okay, then we have long list of resources, okay, and suddenly we are getting request from someone like, hey, change this value from T2 micro to T3 dot large, okay. Then how we can do it in really quick manner, okay. So we can do it using variable block. How? I will show you. So using variable block you can also define the variable in encrypted form, okay. So your values will be not hard coded, your all values will be not hard coded, and you can define in encrypted form, okay, in a standard manner, okay. It always recommend Terraform always recommend to define variable for sensitive case, if you're defining the password or something like that, or resources type VPC or something, then you have to always define the variable using variable block, okay. So let's go back to the VS code, okay, and go to the resources block and let this write T2 dot micro. I will show you from scratch like how we can define the variable, okay. So let me create one file, variable.tf. So I am using the extension like Terraform, so you need to also install the Terraform plugin, okay. So I am going to define the variable here, okay. So we have to write variable. So I am going to give the name AWS underscore EC2 underscore instance underscore type, okay. So we are using type, then we have to write, okay, type equal to a string. Type will be a string, and the default, whatever default value it will take. If user is not passing any string, then what default value it will take? Like it will take the T2 dot micro, okay. And it's always good practice to give the description whatever code we are writing. So this is my EC2 instance type variable, okay, block. So it's always good practice to keep the description, so if anyone is going through your code, they can easily understand what this code is doing, okay, in really quick manner. So we have successfully defined our variable block, okay. First we have to give the variable, write the variable here, then we have to pass the variable name, okay, then we have to pass the variable type as a string, okay. So suppose if we are passing as a string, then anyone can change it. Like suppose user want to launch T3 dot micro, okay, then they can do it, okay. But if we are not using this type, then they cannot do it directly using the command, okay. But if we are using type as a string, then they can do it. And default option is T2 dot micro, so it will always take default as a whenever we are launching EC2 instance using this variable, it will always launch t2.micro instance. Okay, and description, it's always good practice to define the whatever our code is doing. Okay, so we have successfully write our variable block. Now how we can define this variable block in resource.tf? Then we have defined here is instance type, then we have to remove this one because it's hard coded. Now we have to write here var dot, I am using extension as I have already mentioned, so it's giving me the suggestion and it's correct suggestion, right? Var dot whatever name we have given to our variable, so that is coming up. So that's it, we have to use here. Okay, and we don't forget to save after writing. Okay, now let's go back here. Now run terraform init. Sorry, there is something missing. t2.micro. What it's saying on variable tf dot line 2. Okay, so let me type a string. Okay, now it's okay. Let me save it. Now let's run terraform init. Let's see. So we have something in here. Okay, so let's save it. Okay, terraform init. So we have to define the variable name, default variable name in the double quotes. Okay, so I was missing that. So now our backend is successfully initialized. Now we have to see the whatever resources is going to create. Okay, terraform. So we have to run terraform plan command. Okay, so it will show the exact plan, like whatever resources getting created by terraform. Okay, so plan 1 to add, 0 to change, 0 to destroy. Okay, so terraform is going to create only one EC2 instance using the whatever variable we have defined. Okay, to create the resources we have to write terraform apply. Then it will ask for approval. Okay, yes, I want to create. So our instance is getting created. Let's go back to the EC2 console and let's refresh it. So here you can see prod web is pending because it's getting created. Let's go back to the VS Code. So it's getting created. It's taking bit time, okay, to create the EC2. So our EC2 have been successfully created in AWS. So apply complete, resources 1 added, 0 change or 0 destroy. Okay, so go back to the AWS and refresh it, and yeah, we can see here, right, the prod web instance is running. Okay, so we have successfully created EC2 instance using the variable block. So I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and do check out my other playlist as well. Thanks for watching. If you have any query, then do let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video.